Hi guys, so welcome back again. Today is Thursday and I don't have work today, so that's good for me. But anyway, guys, as you can see, all of our jackets are already displayed na. Kay tugnaw na gid siya na. Also, I'm wearing a very thick pullover, or not, it's not a pullover but it's like a long jacket. Kay tugnaw gid kay siya. Though our heater is still not on, kay wala lang. Because it's still manageable pa naman. But yeah, it's very cold outside na. It's not really cold, winter kind of cold, ko lang siya kanang kusog lang kay ang hangin, and the wind makes it worse cold na siya ba. So yeah, but anyway, for this video guys, we will gonna, or kuyugi ko ninyo na mag-harvest sa mga sili. So if you know, a few months ago we tried to plant sili. So there's like 3 different kind of chilies, and I think nag-start me og plant around April, kay mo man gid na siya ang start of planting season here because it's summer. Actually, but then nagka-problema me because we don't have a big garden. Okay, we don't have a big place, so kuha na siya kanang gihanghang lang namo siya sa among bintana. The problem was we kept it inside sa among balay, and then there's a lot of insect na siya, and we tried a lot of spray and a lot of things, so wala siya ni gana. And then we decided na we should put it outside na lang, kay para if we put it outside, tingali yung katong mga insect niya is mawala or whatever. So yeah, so after 2 months na munga na siya, so today we're gonna harvest it, kay it's very cold na, and I don't think na makasurvive pa sila for winter season. So yeah, kuyugi ko ninyo. But first of all, manghinlo sa ta, and I haven't had coffee as well, but whatever. So yeah, are you ready? Let's go. So actually guys, we have a dishwasher. So kaning mga small utensils or kanang mga hugaw na gid kaayo, I usually put inside. But then some of the things na pwede naman siya hand wash, I do hand wash it. For example, these microwavable na mga container. So I will just hand wash it, kay it's not so dirty. Kala ni siya sudlan lang nako ni siya for some fruits or vegetable, ano na siya. So we're just gonna hand wash it. I also have here my rice cooker. I'm very Pinoy, huh? So we have rice cooker, and I will also just gonna hand wash it. So yeah. So guys, we have already cleaned a little our kitchen here. Kuan ka nang. It's time to water our plants, and as you can see sa background guys, it's already 8 o'clock in the morning, and inana siya ka gloomy ang weather, and it's very cold outside. Tapos kuan sad siya ka nang, I think nga maulan siguro later. So yeah, that's our weather. So I usually start watering our kangkong here. Yes, guys, I have my kangkong here. Water na ko itong kangkong. And then some of our plants here. Sorry for this mess, guys. Kaya ako lang na siyang gipauga. Okay, later we will gonna put it inside the cabinet na. So, ito na siyang i-water. Can I show? I don't know the name of some of these plants, guys. Oopsie. Wait lang kay. Nabasa siya. Natapuhan. Okay. So guys, this is our plants here, as you can see, and then this is outside is our chili. So siguro I will just gonna oopsie, oh my god, the water. Wait lang. Wala may chapo dere. Wait lang guys, kinayabo. Whatever. So water. So guys, I was just gonna show you slowly what kind of plants are this one, while I will also gonna water them after. So the first plant I will show you is this one. This is again given by my mother-in-law. Nagbulak na siya. I forgot what is the name of this one. So siya namulak na siya, and this one is very nice siya bulak, color pink. And also, dali po siya mo kuan mo tubo. And you usually cut ang iyahang mga kaning mga mutubo niya kay, I don't know. My mother-in-law said kay bati man gud siya if dako. Mudako siya ba mukatay siya. So I usually cut the ends of it. So let's water this one. Okay, and next one guys is our tomatoes. Medyo namatay na siya kung kamatis na siya isa kabunga. Kasi we put it inside manggod, and I think if nani siya sa gawas, mas kuan gor mas bongga gor iyahang pagdako. Though last week nabiyaan siya og 3 days, wala siya tubig because kuan to siya kanang we went to Aken and walay tubig niya, and pag uli na mo nakuan siya, namatay siya. But though I still see some kuan kanang tawagan na some new leaf na ginatubo, so maybe it will live again, I don't know. So but I still also kanang ginatubigan gyapon ako siya kay para nice. I also have here different cactuses because my husband likes cactus. Another form of cactus. But di na ako siya gina-water every day, or every time nag-water ko, di na ako sila apilon all the time. So maybe 1 or 2 times a week lang na ako sila tubigan. Another plant that I have is this, I forgot the name, but this plant is a insect eating plant. So kung siya medyo, here on the other side is medyo namatay siya. Kaya sensitive siya when it comes to water na amo ang ginagamit para mag-water siya ha. So yeah, mo nang namatay siya sa kilid. But then here on the front, I can still see na natubo gyapon siya. Kani siya kanang mukaon ni siya og mga insect. Kuan siya kanang medyo, ano siya tawagan na, kanang gluey siya ba? If imo siyang gunitan, medyo sticky siya. So, muna nga mga insect ma-trap there. So, yeah. It's very nice. Also, another plant. Kuan siya guys, kanang mumulak ni siya. I think this one is the color yellow. Kuan po ni siya, kanang hatag po ni siya sa kuang mother-in-law. But right now, wala siya bulak. But then, pag mamulak ni siya, grabe ka nice. Color yellow man ata ni siya. Just forgot the name, sorry. Here is our sili. This is the only chili nga nasa sulod sa balay. Kay gamay manggod kayo amo ang napalit nga pot, and the pot is only for 2 sili. So, wala na namo siya gibutang sa gawas. But then, the funny thing is, namuha po ba siya, but it's very small. Gamay kay siya. Daganang siya ka ng mga insect guys. Sadly. But, who knows? It's still very grain man sad. So, I will water this one. Ano yung sad? Ito na siyang tubig. Pero feeling na ako guys, kaya mamatay na siya inig kakuan. Winter. But I'll put it here kaya itong abrihan later. Ang window for our ceiling. Here's another plant. Kuan ni siya kanang mamulaksad ni siya. Walang tanggalon ang mga patay na mga dahon, guys. Mamulaksad ni siya. And I think this one is the yellow. Another plant nga hatag yapon sa akong mother-in-law. A lot of my plants siguro kay hatag sa akong mother-in-law. Wala, dili man gud kay ko magapalit og kanang mga tanom, guys. Kaya I don't know how to take care of them. So, mani siya. Wala gyapon siya namulak. But then, if mamulak na siya, the color is color yellow. Okay. Saan siya? Na siyang buuan. And here are just kuanan mga nabilin there, guys. Mga cactuses. So, this one. Gwapo kay siya og kuano og tubo niya mo. Dako na ni siya. Guwapa kayo sila mga cactuses. It's because kuan ba ya last time summer, so grabe nilang pamukhad. Here is another one. Yes, guwapa kayo siya no, diba? And another one, dako kay sila. It's because they love the sun and yeah, summer season. So now guys, we're gonna open. We're gonna show you. Do you know guys that the German windows, or I think some of the European windows are very weird. Katong first time na ko ganhin diri, I got like really weird ilahang mga windows. So I'll show you nganong weird siya. So there's like, first is ito siyang abrihan in a normal way, okay? So this is how you open in a normal way. So kani siya, more iyang handle is going to the side. So inana na siya. So that's how you open their window. But then if you put, imo na siyang iput above, up, iput mo siya up, this handle, like this one, then you can open this window like this one. So on the top, iyang hangin. So at first time when I tried doing this, sabi na ako mahulog sa kuha. Kaya nadala ko kayo, oh my god, kasi matagakan ko og bintana, but no. But anyway, so kilid, and let's open it. Ta-da! So guys, as you can see, it's very hanging, it's very gloomy. But I think guys, na I will just gonna take some of the chilies here. Kaya medyo namatay na siya, sadly. So I will take this one. Kaya napangit na siya. It's time to harvest our chili. Wala na siya, namatay na agad siya. Hindi na siya matubo. So these are chilies, guys. I'll show you later na lang. Uy, kahangin. May kainin sili sa mga sausawan, guys. For this other one, guys, I'm not sure. Gamay pa man kaya siya good. I think just this one. Gamay pa kaya siya. So guys, as you can see, wala kay bunga akong sili or chili. So, and I have to decide if I have to kuan na siya, i-harvest na siya karon or mamatay na siya tungod kay it's very cold outside naman. But I have here, but the good thing is, for this kind of chili, duwa ra akong na-harvest. Okay, lang ay. Duha, 1 and 2 of this one. But for this small ones, they can get nakuha. Yeah, so that's a lot. These are all my chilies, guys. So more to siya, guys. So for this video, more to siya. I'll just show you nga muna ni siya nga mga sili na na-harvest na mo. But hopefully, I pray for next year nga we know better na nga outside good siya dapat ang mga sili and mga kamatis. So yeah, but I'm really happy nga at least for this time na may mga sili because I really like eating kuan man good spicy. So yep, I guess that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much. You can continue for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, guys, don't forget to comment down below if you want to see more of this kind of video, or if curious mo sa akong life there is a Germany. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget also to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.